Greetings to all my people out there. They say one beating is twice shy. Even the lion, the king of the forest, protects himself from the common flies. It only takes the wise to listen to a fool. So what has been happening in Nigeria concerning the so-called INEC and the political parties is a kind of system I came to imbibe my own idea into it so that we'll see if it will be the solution we are seeking for against election and politicking in Nigeria. For instance, let me tell us that over the years there has been known irregularities, rigging, that is election malpractice during election, and the declaration of fake results has been seen here and there, and porous registration of political parties has been experienced, the highest in the world, where you have up to 90-something political parties. Then at the middle of the bridge, the INEC now declared about 74 political parties deregistered. They asked the number, which means they killed off 74 political parties, telling them that they are no longer political parties, they are no longer recognized because they didn't meet up with the required criteria. You understand? But you who registered them from onset also say that they meet up with the set up modalities and criteria to be a political party. So now, that is bygone. I, Ezen Nyajikasi, after thinking it fit and an ability for the Nigerians to adopt my motion over the whole issue, is what I'm pleading for and expecting to be positive. So I move the motion that the electoral umpires should be strictly and in a clear form be independent to the state. You understand what I mean? To be independent to the state, not having any affiliation or any connection with the federal. It will be managed by a state. The most importantly, still on the motion, is to establish state political parties, not national parties. National parties has been in existence up to date, and presently we have about 18 recognized or registered national parties. Let them continue with the national activities. Then let the state political parties be established. Political parties that their affairs is restricted or limited to the state. Like they can produce the governors, they can produce the House of Assembly in the state, they can produce the chairman and the councillors of the various wards and local governments. That is, I'm talking about state political parties. Why the national political parties will be in charge of those ones voting in for Senate, you understand? Then those ones voting in for President, House of Reps. So they will be produced by a national party. National party automatically is a federal party. It has affiliation with the nationals. Their headquarters is in Abuja. Why state party is limited to the state? They don't have business with Abuja. You understand? Then you will see that it will be well managed when a state is managing it, because it's becoming so porous and so ambiguous when brought together. National party, when the whole party is brought together, it gives problems during an election, because Nigeria cannot sort a massive problem at hand. So let the problem be divided to the states. The states can manage it you understand, and got some percentage of excellency from it. The state will use different skills. What is obtainable to that state is the skill the state governor will use to be tackling the problem. Or rather, that electoral umpire that is established in the state will be independent. It will be independent. Then why political parties will also be a political party of its own, functioning only in the state to produce governors and House of Assembly, local government chairmen and councillors. Now, that electoral umpire will be managed by the foreigners. If a state feels that their citizens can manage the INEC, can manage the electoral body in their state, let them manage it. But if you feel like a state, let me use Anambra, my state, as an example. I think that Anambra State precisely should invite foreign expertise, professionals, to come and manage our electoral body, most especially in the cases of network, that is the server, to produce and absorb information. So when it comes to that aspect, foreigners should manage that aspect. Foreigners that cannot be bribed or teased or influenced. So let's follow that system and see how it works for us. Then the political parties will be functioning in the state. A state will be given a limited number of political parties to register, maybe about 10 political parties to be registered in the state. Because it's a state affairs. People are homogeneous. You understand? People of a particular state are homogeneous. So they do things in accordance with what is religiously obtainable. Because religion is still the conscience of the society. You understand? Why the political aspect are the rulers, worldly rulers. So it's a kind of thing that is interwoven, because what the leader does automatically affects the commoners, the citizens, the humanity. So I humbly put up my motion. I'm saying that the House of Reps, when you had me, as senators, when you had me, adopt my motion. Let there be state political parties, and let there be state-minded, purely independent electoral body. Thank you very much. I rest my case.